Hi, in front of me is OPPO A33 2020 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply LED keyboard on this device. Firstly, open Play Store and type LED keyboard. Then download this app from this developer. Now open it, click Get Started and tap OK. Then click on the switcher next to LED keyboard, click Active and tap on Input Options. Choose LED keyboard one more time. Over here you can pick the one that you like the best by tapping on it. I will go with that one, so I have to click and choose Download Theme. Now when I go back, I can see that my keyboard has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!